An American cameraman working for NBC News in Liberia has tested positive for Ebola, the network reported Thursday. He will return to the United States for treatment. The freelance cameraman, 33, was hired Tuesday and came down with symptoms on Wednesday, NBC News reported. The network said it was withholding his name at his family's request. We are doing everything we can to get him the best care possible. He will be flown back to the United States for treatment at a medical center that is equipped to handle Ebola patients, NBC News President Deborah Turness said in a note to staff. We are also taking all possible measures to protect our employees and the general public, she said. Days before he became the first person diagnosed with Ebola on American soil, Thomas Eric Duncan answered no to questions about whether he had cared for a patient with a deadly virus. Before leaving Liberia, Duncan also answered no to a question about whether he had touched the body of someone who died in an area affected by the disease, said Binyet Sally, board chairman of the Liberia Airport Authority. Witnesses say Duncan had been helping Ebola patients in Liberia. Liberian community leader Tugbeh Chieh said Duncan was caring for an Ebola-infected patient and a resident in Paynesville City, just outside Monrovia. Earlier Thursday, Giselle told the CNN that the authority will seek to prosecute if Duncan lied on his health screening questionnaire before leaving West Africa. Liberia President Ellen Johnson Sirleaf told Canadian public broadcaster CBC on Thursday that she would consult with lawyers to decide what to do with Duncan when he returns home. The fact that he knew he was exposed to the virus and he left the country is unpardonable. Quite frankly, Johnson Sirleaf told CBC, I just hope that nobody else gets infected. With the US doing so much to help us fight Ebola, and again, one of our compatriots didn't take due care, and so he's gone there and put some Americans in a state of fear and put them at some risk. And so I feel very saddened by that and very angry with him, to tell you the truth. Duncan's family said he hadn't mentioned any exposure to Ebola in Liberia. His girlfriend says he told her he hadn't been in contact with anyone with Ebola. Wilfred Smallwood, Duncan's half-brother, said Thursday that he doesn't believe Duncan knew he had Ebola when he left Liberia for the United States. But he said it isn't out of the ordinary to come to the assistance of suffering people.